Today I want to show how to use the FiberScope. So it's for fiber optic test, inspection and cleaning. So, and this one is DFS1 Digital FiberScope, and it's from AFL. So at the end of video you will see how to monitor this screen in a software. Is called Simple View, AFL Simple View Fiber Inspection Software. I will give the software link in the description. So I plugged the AFL DFS1 FiberScope USB cable in my laptop, and then you will see a light is pop up in here. And it's not good for in your eye, so keep your eye from this light. And they also give us some what is called you can put in here, like if you unscrew it, then change it, and you can plug it, one of them, in here. And when you plug it, make sure that this hole it fit within this one. You see a small line in there, so I put in there, and then I keep it in here. Okay, so this small portion is called U25, and based on the hole size they give different name. This one is U25, and this one has LC connector, and this one is for U125, it is a small hole, and this one is called FS, it is big hole in there. So based on the connector size you will choose which one you need. So I want to test these fiber cables, and I plug in there. So it's plugged, and I am operating my Simple View, AFL Simple View in here, and you see there is a nice pop-up of this fiber. So I a rotation, you see there is a small dart in here, this is small dart in there. So for that I will use a cleaner, and I will use this cleaner. It's called One Click Cleaner for SC connector. So I use this in the cleaner, put it there, and press it again, 90-degree angle, and press it again. Okay, all right, I can check it in there. Yeah, it's almost clean. And there is a switch in here, you can make it zoom in or zoom out. Right now I'm making it zoom, so it has a nice and a clean view. And after that I can take a picture using this button. So I click it, and the software automatically take a picture of the screen. Alright, so if you see that your connector or something is not clean, then use this one click 1 or 2 times. So this one is for SC, and this one is for MU and LC connector. Okay, thanks for watching the video.